Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I will show you in this video very attractive collection of low maintenance hairstyling and haircut. With attractive and trendy hair dye. An overall collection very stylish, latest and very cute ideas of low maintenance hairstyling for girls and women to see in this video. So I suggest and I request please you watch this video till end. I hope you like it. Very attractive collection of haircut. Some ideas layered, deep layered. Step, undercut. And a very beautiful collection of choppy haircut. And many much more ideas of hairstyling. Fine hairstyle. Some ideas wavy curly hairstyling. Some ideas natural wave and curl of hair. Some ideas make curl. And so beautiful collection of spiky hairstyling. And very attractive collection of messy hairstyle. And very beautiful ideas of hair dye. Some ideas very beautiful, most popular ideas of hair dye, blonde color. In blonde, streaks, highlights, chunks. Other shade of dye, burgundy color, black color, light brown, dark brown, and ash color, grey color. An overall collection very stylish and latest. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this. And if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very sweet, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. And thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I will write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.